how's everybody doing? So, got something that I've been waiting to show y'all for a while because I've been working on it, but it was pretty bad when I got it. But it's been in my family for a while. It's pretty much my treasure in the family. But it's a Fox Body Mustang. Now this Fox Body, it's all stock except for the exhaust. It has the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder in it, and these make, I think, 110 horsepower to the wheels. But it has the GT wheels on it. It's been on there for a while. I did the headlights and the taillights and the exhaust. That's the only thing I've done to it, other than like the radio and stuff inside. But I gotta get it cleaned up and stuff for y'all to see the inside is dirty. But it's really the only one I've ever seen with a blue interior, white exterior, and a black top. The black top was added on, and a blue top. And I did this half of the trim. I repainted it. It looks good, you know. Did the spoiler too. Didn't do any of the rack. Didn't do this side. That's why it looks like crap. But mirror's not done yet. This side ain't done yet. Nothing on this side's done yet. But it's getting there, you know. Had it for almost a year now. So, but this is the car after the Mazda, so you aren't missing much. The Mazda just lost all compression to the engine, and it wouldn't run right. Sorry about me shaking. It's cold. It's probably a good 35, maybe 40, somewhere around there. I don't know. I'm cold because I'm just in sweatshirt and pants. So, yeah, this is her. She's got a long way to come, you know. But here, I'll show you all the motor just to prove to y'all that she's all stock. Door handles are messed up. They've been broke, so I can't lock it or anything. The keys they all work and stuff, and it's just that an old car, and this lock over here doesn't even work. It's like stuck, but I got the skulls for the locks. That lock over there does work. But yeah, it's all stock there. There ain't nothing done to this thing. All these parts are probably all original except for the sparkle wires and spark plugs. But I haven't even looked at the air filter yet because it's a pain in the butt to get to. That'll probably be the next thing I do to it. All original radiator, and of course it's the original radiator and it still holds fluid. And battery is not the same battery. I guess that's another thing. Other than oil, you know, all the usual tune-ups and stuff. I mean, this blinker keeps popping out right here. Just trying to fix it. This one keeps popping out too. These aren't like, these were the like cheap Amazon headlights. And I had to cut into that to get it to fit. And that one, I just popped in there, and for some reason it held. The headlights popped in there fine. It was the only thing that I didn't have to mess with. Got the LED headlights. Yeah, I've been putting on some work, you know. But this has been in my family since it was brand new, and it's a '93, so that's 27 years almost, and it was sitting in the garage for a while, and when I got it, it was green. It wasn't white, it was green. It was what is it called, mildew or something like that built up on it. It was like this crap right here. That's what color it was when I got it. Like, you can see that crap just wipes right off. And now it's this pretty white. And shout out to Mr. Mills for detailing it. He did a very good job. I got it detailed a while back, and it's still holding up. The wax on it and everything, and the whole shebang. But it's got 126,000 miles on it. It's a beautiful car. Fox body is my top favorite car. I couldn't ask for a better car than a Fox body. I understand that people hate them. People say they weren't Mustangs, they're not Mustangs, blah 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 blah. Well, a Mustang is a Mustang, and you see that on the front where it says Mustang, that means it's a Mustang. That's all I need. So, I know that it's a 4-cylinder and stuff, but you know, it is what it is, and I think a 4-cylinder is good enough for a young guy like me. So, and no, I'm not putting a 5.0 in here. That is one thing that's not getting done. Maybe later on down the road, might be a turbo put in this thing. I'll probably end up rebuilding this motor and stuff, but it ain't getting an engine swap unless this thing blows up. Then it'll get an engine swap. But this car ain't going nowhere, because I wanted this car all my life, and then I got it, so it ain't going nowhere. But she's perfect how she is to me. She needs a couple things. I don't know if y'all noticed. I'm gonna put the hood down real quick. But the hood is dented in. It hit a deer, and that's why the headlights are different and stuff. It's because that dent was pretty bad. I repainted over it because it was all rusted right in here, and it was a bad paint job. It was just temporary because I'm probably gonna end up getting another hood later on down the road. But the headlights were all busted up. Like, this right here was busted, and it had the 3-piece headlights, so I just decided it would be easier just to get a whole headlight. And since I've had it, somebody cut out in front of me, and I had to stomp on the brakes. And you know, the older cars, they don't have anti-lock brakes, so I got all scratched up from hitting a car. And then not too long after that, I got rear-ended by somebody, because obviously nobody can see a bright white car. So the lady told me that you can't really see it, but that's it. The lady told me that her car's beeper went off, and she thought that it had the automatic braking when you get too close to a car or something like that, and she said it didn't work. And I was like, well, I mean, you still gotta pay attention, you know. I don't know, but yeah, this is her. Just wanted to keep y'all updated. I know I haven't been around long and stuff, that much, I mean, and but the last car before this one was the Mazda. I literally got rid of the Mazda when I got this. Probably 2 months after I got this, I got rid of the Mazda. But y'all aren't too far behind. I mean, I wish I could have shown y'all like the difference in the headlights and the taillights when I did them. Wish I still had the headlights and taillights. But yeah, and that's her. She's living strong. I would start it up for y'all, but I don't even know where I put my keys. So I think they're inside. Maybe that'll be the next video. Get to see it start up here off. I'm gonna show you what the exhaust is. Okay, so that pipe goes out right there. That's where the exhaust ends. It's like right up against my axle. And this car is very, very clean underneath. Very clean. Like, I don't think you could beat this car for the age and how clean it is underneath. And the mileage. I just got these tires on here, them fucking nice ass titties on there. Oh wait, they ain't got no titties. There they are, there's the little titties. But, yeah, she still needs work, you know. Took it to the shop not too long ago. All the neglect done to this car is built up over time, and it needs some work, but it's my daily driver and stuff, so, and it's been a great daily. It's just horrible on gas, even though it's a 4-cylinder. Still horrible on gas. But that's all I got for y'all. I'm trying to keep making these so the content can keep going, and hopefully I get more people on here. But like and subscribe if you're new to this, and thank you for watching, and hope to see y'all next time. Thank you.